DETECTO's AP-4KD stainless steel compact scale is a precision instrument designed to meet the demands of various industries. With a 4,000 gram capacity and 1 gram graduations, accuracy is at the forefront. The removable 9-inch wide by 6-inch deep stainless steel tray makes it easy to clean. In the medical field, accuracy is pivotal. Whether it's weighing wet diapers or lap sponges, DETECTO's AP-4KD ensures precise measurements every time. The AP-4KD stands out as an excellent scale for the commercial food service industry, boasting NTEP Legal for Trade certification, robust stainless steel construction, and precise 1-gram divisions. It also shines as a bench scale in chemical processing facilities, since it helps professionals measure chemical mixtures with precision, making experiments and testing smoother than ever. The stainless steel construction ensures unwavering durability and resistance to corrosion, even in the most challenging of manufacturing environments where it can be used for quality assurance processes. The digital scale offers a compact size that will take up less counter space than a sheet of paper. You can be up and running quickly with the included AC adapter and a 6-foot-long power cord. With a user-friendly half-inch high LCD display and intuitive buttons, it's easy to determine gross and net weight functions. The push-button tare feature allows you to subtract the weight of containers effortlessly. The built-in motion detection ensures the weight readout will stabilize quickly, and the bubble level guarantees you can find a level weighing surface. Manufactured in DETECTO's factory in Webb City, Missouri, with a combination of American and global components, the digital scale boasts exceptional quality. From medical environments to food processing, chemical labs to manufacturing, the AP-4KD is a reliable instrument for your weighing needs. Experience accuracy, durability, and simplicity like never before, and refine your weighing operation with the stainless steel AP-4KD by DETECTO.